Hi guys, Nat from Tech World Prospect here. Just covering today the Delta Camp set from Cedar Summit. This is a fantastic kit if you're looking at kitting out a scout or you're going hiking yourself. Just a quick little tip, the Delta Cup is pretty unique in the terms of it's actually got a measurement on the inside here. Alright, that's super handy when you're trying to actually fill up your freeze-dried meal with the correct amount of mils. So this one here says it takes 500 mils of boiling water. Well, guess what? You can actually measure it out. Fantastic. These actually have got a Protex base, which reduces the heat on the surface area, so you don't get a really hot, scalded hand when you're trying to handle the bowl or the plate. Also has a thumb grip on the side there, and just to keep it all neat, it's got a nice little utensil kit, and even a little carabiner to help clip it all together so you don't lose anything. Alright, pretty quick and easy. That's Nat from Tech World Prospect out. Cheers.